5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go 4 left. 150. Brow 80. Then 6 left, 100. Then 5 left, tightens. And 2 right late. Oh, sorry.
Oh my God! Come on! You gave it to me way too late.
Yeah.
Come on! Fuck.
5 plus left, it's okay. And 6 left over crest, 80.
Damn it!
It's okay, just keep driving. 6 right over crest and keep left over crest, 100. To a 6 right long. And 6 left tightens. And 5 minus right hook, 100. Then 4 left. And 5 left. 80. Then 5 right, tightens 3 hook, quick 4 left. Then quick, short 4 right, quick 4 left, tightens 80. Then 5 right long, tightens to 4. And 4 minus left long, it tightens. And then it opens to 5, over 200. So we're going to open to 5 over 200 to a 6 right. So 6 right, 80. Then another 6 right over 150 to the tidy delta. So delta, unseen, turn 3 right, quick 1 left. Then quick 3 right, over dip, 80 line. 4 left. Then 6 right, quick 3 right hook. 80 line. Then 6 right and 4 right long, tightens hook. And 5 minus left, very long, tightens. And 6 right, 100. Then 3 left, opens to 5 long. This is a 3 left, it opens to 5 long. And 6 right, 150. Then 5 left, and 4 plus right, 100. Then 5 left, 80 line. To a tidy 4 left, opens and tightens to 3 minus, over 200. Good job.